Whatever. Whatevs. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Skate, and if you're new on my channel, my name is Skate. My name is Kate. If you're new on my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and click the bell button because YouTube keeps hiding videos from you guys and you just don't see my new uploads, and that makes me so sad. This year I set a goal to start uploading videos that will not only benefit you all but also will benefit me and my life. So for this video I looked around my house and asked myself, what is there in my house that needs to be deep cleaned and something that most people have trouble cleaning themselves in their houses as well. So today we're gonna use soda, peroxide, and vinegar to clean. Please make it a challenge for yourself. After every time you watch my video, you do at least one thing that we kind of discuss or show or talk about here in this video. Don't just waste time watching the video. Go ahead and put this on your to-do list and actually clean it. Because now you know how to do it, you see how easy it is, and why not do it? So watch the video and implement it into your life. Let's get to the video. This is the rail of my sliding door that leads to the backyard. Ew, so much dirt, so much gunk. We're gonna work the magic and see what we can do with this. For this trick, we're gonna need some baking soda, white vinegar, washcloths, your old toothbrush, paper towel. Okay, let's get to work. Right, my hairband came in handy here. So first we're gonna sprinkle some baking soda. Then cover baking soda with a little bit of the vinegar and it will start to bubble, which is good, and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes to work its magic. Oh yeah, do you hear the sound? If you don't like the smell of vinegar, you can open the windows definitely, but I kind of enjoy the smell of vinegar. I'm gonna enjoy this and wait 5 to 10 minutes and get to scrubbing, which is so exciting. So while this stuff is soaking, we're gonna clean my toaster. For this, we're gonna use some baking soda and if needed some peroxide or vinegar. Let's get to work. Add in a little bit of baking soda. I'm gonna fold it and make a paste and use this paste to clean this dirt over here. Now I'm gonna use my butter knife to get all the breadcrumbs out. We're gonna wipe this one last time. And voila! Just look how clean and perfect it looks now. So beautiful, like new. I think this part is ready for us to go ahead and scrub. Alright, this is all done and it's looking so much more cleaner. These are old rails, obviously it's not gonna look perfect. I love the results. So you guys, it's very easy. So do go ahead and clean your window rails or the sliding door rails. You are gonna be so satisfied. So now we're gonna be cleaning this baking sheet, probably this color over here. We're gonna try to achieve this color, but I don't know, it's so dirty. I don't know if we're gonna be able to achieve this new look, but we're gonna try our best. So for this, we're gonna need some baking soda, hydrogen peroxide, and I'm gonna use this new sponge to scrub this. So let's go ahead and try this. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more baking soda and a little bit more peroxide and let it sit for at least 10 minutes and see if it helps at all. Okay, instead I decided to add a little bit vinegar. Alright, so while our baking sheet is getting soaked, we're gonna go ahead and clean this sink. With baking soda, we're gonna be getting rid of all these coffee spills and all this yellow gunk over here. minutes later and it's shining. No yellow gunk, no coffee spills. Everything looks squeaky clean. Just baking soda, sponge, and some water. Now I think we're ready to get back to our baking sheet. Okay, let's see what we have here. I just found online a different recipe which suggests that it has to sit for at least 24 hours. So I guess for this video, the baking sheet is a fail, but I will definitely get back to it later. Now let's go ahead and clean one last thing and we're gonna be done for this video. Okay, so we are going to be cleaning this kettle, and for this we're gonna need 2 cups of water and 2 cups of vinegar. This is how the bottom of the kettle looks right now. So let's bring it to a boil, let it sit for 20 minutes and see if it works. Okay, it definitely looks shinier, but these little spots did not come off. But it looks clean enough for me, and I don't really care about this on the bottom. That's enough for me knowing that it's deep cleaned and there are no germs. I will go ahead and boil more water in this kettle before making tea so that it doesn't have any residue or any leftover from the vinegar, any baking soda. That's a pretty good job. Alright, so that was all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am so super satisfied right now. Go ahead and do at least one thing that you saw in this video. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Thank you so much for being with me. Thank you so much for building this beautiful community on my channel. Do not forget to give thumbs up to this video if you enjoyed this. Do not forget to subscribe, click the bell button, and follow me on my social media, like Instagram, for example. I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone. Mwah.
That's it, Brian?